The Tan Fan Sleep Sac is a silky, cooling sleep cocoon designed specifically to stop dark tanning products from staining your bedding while you sleep. Its reinforced bottom layer is noticeably thicker and more protective than typical sheet protectors, so even very dark self-tanners stay on your skin instead of soaking into fabric. The top section is intentionally lightweight and breathable, which helps prevent that hot, sticky feeling that often comes with sleeping in self-tan, especially in warmer rooms. Generous dimensions and a roomy cut make it comfortable for people who toss, turn, or sleep in a starfish position, and the built-in pillow cover keeps your pillow as safe as your sheets. Thoughtful extras like the open foot design, smooth non-cling interior, and included travel bag make it practical both for nightly use at home and for trips where you do not want to risk hotel linens. The fabric washes and dries quickly on a cool cycle, so it is easy to keep fresh and ready for regular tanning nights without adding much effort to your laundry routine.